But don't be alarmed if you hear tornado sirens tomorrow. The Michigan State Police's Emergency Management and Homeland Security Division is conducting a voluntary drill.
Yeah, according to the National Weather Service, an average of about 15 tornadoes hit somewhere in Michigan each year.
The drill is part of Michigan's Severe Weather Awareness Week, which is a time when Michiganders are encouraged to have a plan and stay prepared for severe weather emergencies.
Yeah, March is typically a month where we start to see that transition out of the cold into warm. That allows us to have an awareness week before most of the weather hits. March is also the month that here in the state of Michigan, the schools are required to do a tornado drill. So on Wednesday, March 19th at 1 p.m., we have a voluntary statewide tornado drill here in the state of Michigan, right in the smack middle of that Severe Weather Awareness Week.
Well, the drill will be held at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Everyone is encouraged to participate in this annual drill and also update or create an emergency preparedness kit.
It's that time of year. Never hurts to be too prepared.
That's right.